Hi, Kevin Henry, the Group Editorial Director for Advanstar and Dental Products Report, and I'm on a Google Hangout today with Scott Bradshaw, who's the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for GC America. How are you today, Scott?
Great. How you doing, Kevin?
Doing well. Thanks for the time, and congratulations to GC America on being named a winner of the Deming Award. I was wondering if you could tell our viewers what that is and what that means.
Sure. The Deming Prize is one of the oldest and probably the most recognized award that's given to companies for total quality management, or TQM. What that all entails is a company such as ourselves will apply for it, and then over a series of times they evaluate everything you do as a company. So they start with your company philosophies and business practices and make sure that they are based in a customer-oriented nature. They're also making sure that you're implementing strategies that are both doable and checkable in a systematic fashion, and that you're achieving those at a very high level. So this is something that goes throughout every department and every person at GC America, not just a manufacturing group or a sales group, but truly every activity that you do as a company.
So tell me why this is such an important achievement for your company.
Well, GC itself as a company has a long and storied background in total quality management. But more than anything else, what we believe is important about this is that it improves the quality of the products and services that we deliver to our customers. The basis of total quality management is a philosophy that you plan something, you do it, you then check how effective it is, and then you act on it. And when we say effective, we really are looking at that from the customer's viewpoint. How well did we meet the needs of the customers? So more than anything else, what this has done has really honed our ability to listen to what the customer's needs are and make sure we're delivering those at the highest level possible. And in most cases, I think we can do that at a higher level than they've ever had available to them with dental materials in the past.
So let me ask you a little bit more about the Deming Award. Have any other GC companies won it, and what about other U.S. dental companies? Is this a pretty rare thing?
Let me start with the second question first. There was only 3 other U.S. companies to win it before. In this given year, there were only 2 other companies that achieved it, one in Japan, one in India. Nobody in dental had ever achieved it before other than GC Corporation. GC as a corporation acquired it in 2000 for the first time. They then added to the scope with their dental products group applying for it separately and achieving it. And then finally they achieved the top award, which is a distinguished corporation award in, what was that, 2000 award. They achieved, 2004, they achieved the highest level of that award. Finally, our subsidiary in China was the first company ever to achieve the Deming Prize in that country as well. So we're very proud of all those efforts, but I'd also like to mention our chairman, Mr. Nikau, achieved it for an individual in 2012.
Certainly an elite class, so congratulations on that. I know some of our viewers might have heard of the Malcolm Baldrige Award for Quality. Can you kind of compare these two and how they compare and contrast?
Yeah, they are very similar in many ways. Malcolm Baldrige is based on leadership, strategic planning, customer and market focus, just like Deming in all those ways. In both cases, again, they want to do a great job of measuring what you're doing, analyzing what you're doing, and finding a strong amount of management philosophy that is steeped in those findings that better your overall workplace and the customers that you serve. So from all those aspects, I'd say they're very similar. The main difference is probably that with Deming, it needs to start with the customer focus. And you start there, and then you achieve everything else based on the needs of the customer.
And speaking of the customer, I know a lot of people who are watching this are saying, "Oh, this is great, but how does it affect me as a dental professional?" And how would you answer that?
So as a dental professional, I think, again, it probably is worth backing up one step and recognize that GC as a company is based in Samui, and that Japanese words is based on doing for the sake of another instead of yourself. And as our society grows older, as we look to need an improved quality of health to live a long and healthy life, GC is uniquely focused on delivering, again, products that fit that mold. We're not driven by shareholder needs and every quarter hitting a profit number. We're driven by truly how well we're innovating within our space and how well we're delivering new products that truly are first in class in the marketplace. So we hope that from this philosophy we will grow as a company, but more importantly that all our customers benefit, both the dental partners we have out there, but certainly the end users that end up getting those products.
And certainly the timing of this with the ADA annual session getting ready to happen and the Greater New York meeting just on the horizon, what are some things that you all are really promoting at your booth or pushing at your booth that you want people to come by and see at these meetings?
Well, I'm glad you asked about that. We are actually launching a new nanoceramic block for the CERAC system at this meeting. It was a product that was directly driven from the voice of the customers. It was something both our distributor partners and the end users of CERAC were looking for, a specific solution that was slightly different than what the competitors were looking for. So from this PDCA cycle, we developed this new product. We additionally are real excited about Genial, which is a first-in-class product that truly is unique in its handling. It's an injectable composite that self-polishes and continues to look better over time. So those will be the two that we'll be focusing on. Of course, anything with the Fuji name is what brings dentists to the booth. #1 in glass ionomers for over 2 decades now.
Well, Scott, again, congratulations to you and everybody at GC America on this prestigious award. It really is very impressive.
Well, thanks for giving me a call today, and I look forward to seeing you later in the week.